A. A for apple. APPLE. एप्पल यानी सेब. B. B for ball. 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 C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. DOG. E. E for egg. Egg means anda. F. F for fish. 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 G. G for grapes. GRAPES. grapes यानी अंगूर. H. H for house. HOUSE. house यानी घर. I. I for ice cream. ICECREAM. ice cream. J. J for jug. 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 K. K for key. KEY. key means chabi. L. L for lemon. LEMON. lemon means nimbu. M. M for mouse. MOUSE. mouse means चूहा. N. N for nest. NEST. nest means घोंसला. O. O for onion. ONION. onion means प्याज. P. P for parrot. PERROT. parrot means तोता. Q. Q for queen. QUEEN. queen means रानी. R. R for rocket. 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 S. S for sun. SUN. sun means सूरज. T. T for toy. 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 toy means खिलौना. U. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA. umbrella means छाता. V. V for violin. 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 W. W for watermelon. WATERMELON. watermelon means तरबूज. X. X means Xerox. XEROX. Xerox means copy machine. copy. Y. Y for yarn. YARN. yarn means धागा. Z. Z for zebra. ZEBRA. zebra.